Time Farm listing date set for early 2025, key milestones and $2 roadmap. The Time Farm ecosystem is gearing up for a groundbreaking year in 2025, with a series of exciting developments detailed in its official roadmap. From innovative technologies to the much-anticipated token launch, the future of Time Farm promises to captivate users and investors alike. Key milestones in the Time Farm Roadmap 2025. Early 2025. Revolutionary farming mechanism. Time Farm will introduce an advanced farming system designed to boost user participation and reward opportunities. Token Generation Event, TG, a pivotal moment for the project. The TG is expected to generate massive community engagement. Expanded currency options. Additional currencies will be integrated for task payments, enhancing transaction flexibility for users. $2 token launch. Strengthening the ecosystem. The launch of second tokens will unlock new utility and trading possibilities. Mid-2025. DAO integration. The implementation of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, will empower the community with governance and decision-making authority. Social Network Analysis Tool. A cutting-edge system will analyze user interactions, reshaping how participants engage within the ecosystem. End of 2025. Micro-task expansion. A broader array of micro-task categories will diversify opportunities for users. Escrow and AI-powered jobs module. The addition of an escrow feature and AI-assisted job matching will enhance task execution and streamline user experiences. Time Farm listing date and price prediction. The highly anticipated Time Farm listing on MEXC is set to make waves in the crypto community. Market analysts project an initial price for $2 tokens in the range of $0.0150, driven by strong pre-market enthusiasm and trading activity. The TG launch and the introduction of second tokens are expected to significantly drive demand and elevate trading volume. Engaging the Time Farm community. With a thriving community of over 15 million users, Time Farm is set to amplify its momentum through the following initiatives. Real-time updates. Stay informed by joining the Time Farm Telegram and Discord channels. Exclusive rewards. Participate in community tournaments to win Time Farm codes and earn extra $2 tokens. Build excitement. Share the listing date and roadmap milestones across social media to spread the word and energize the community. Final thoughts. As Time Farm embarks on its ambitious roadmap for 2025, the project is positioned to become a leader in the crypto space. From innovative technologies to empowering community engagement, the ecosystem's focus on long-term growth over quick wins is a promising strategy. The highly anticipated MEXC listing and roadmap milestones will undoubtedly make 2025 a transformative year for Time Farm. Stay tuned for more updates and join the conversation to explore exclusive opportunities and rewards in the Time Farm ecosystem.